The first step of making the blender banana bread is to combine the first 5 ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. We're going to combine 1 egg, 1/4 cup of margarine, 1 cup of mashed bananas, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of raisins. The second step is to combine the dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. You are going to combine 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. The third step is to add the blender mixture and stir until moistened. Finally, pour the batter into a greased loaf pan. Bake in the oven at 325 degrees for 1 hour. And here's the finished product. It looks great. Remember to let the banana bread cool in the pan for 1 hour before removing it from the pan.